Whoa.
Your face. Hose. Yeah, it's a hose.
Good job.
Oh, you get me.
Can you turn it?
But
I can't believe he hasn't done himself in yet.
he's working on it. He's changing some of this stuff. He says, oh, there he looks like a little Brian. Sometimes, you know, he's kind of come, he's kind of come into his own a little bit.
What? I said, we're fake. They're okay.
Stop drawing this one. Isn't that interesting?
Was it
Don't
teeth,
you
or
wonder
does he
what
just
their
have a lot of
minds are
saliva?
thinking?
Just a slobberer.
Like his mom when she sleeps.
You better watch it.
Are you a jeweler?
TJ, wash your bum off.
Yeah.
When we were in Hawaii, the first time, Brian